Mountain Province, Philippines! Today guys, we are going to make some strawberry scented candles. Here are the supplies that we need. By the way, these are orders of one of our resellers. So without further ado, let us proceed. So before we start, let me introduce to you our ingredients. Here are our soy wax, our wicks, our centering tools, our glass jars, our thermometer, our wick stickers, our weighing scale, our colorants, and our fragrance oil. First off, we have to get some tissue and some alcohol. Cleaning our glass jars with a piece of tissue and alcohol ensures that there are no dust or any particles that can affect the burning performance of our candles. So there you go guys, the next thing that we are going to do is to attach our wicks at the center of our glass jars using some stickers to ensure that it won't move when we pour our wax. Here is our wax and is now ready to add our strawberry fragrance oil. This is proportionately measured with the weight of our melted wax. Smells so strawberryish. Now is the most exciting part, the hand pouring of our melted wax into our glass jars using our funnel. This is so satisfying and I love doing it. Next is to in-place our centering tools to make sure that the wick stays at the center of our candles. This is quite tedious to do. After this, let us put this aside to cool down. Hello guys! So our client is very excited for these candles. So join me guys as I put some labels on them. First off, we have to put our warning labels at the bottom of our strawberry scent. Labeling our colorful candles is so good to do as well. Looking at this finished product and packing them for delivery to the client is so fulfilling. We are open for resellers and rebranding, guys. So if you are interested, just comment your intent on the comment section. These are our strawberry scent, guys. We have 24 jars of strawberry scent for our clients. And our clients ordered 5 citronella and 5 jasmine. So here you go, guys. Our client is ready for these scented candles. Thank you for watching, guys, and for those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button below and the notification bell so you will be notified on our next video. And also please click the like and share button if you happen to like this video. Stay safe, have a good day, God bless. Bye bye!